Hello friends and welcome to the lecture. Today we are going to learn new lesson. The name of lesson is current, electricity and magnetism. Which constituents are present in an atom? An atom consists of protons, neutrons and electrons. An atom has same number of positively charged protons and negatively charged electrons. So, an object doesn't show any charge through its atoms contain charged particles. Therefore, we can say that plenty of electrical charge is filled in the objects around us. What will happen if a glass rod is rubbed on a silk cloth? When a glass rod is rubbed against silk cloth, it gets electrically charged. How do objects get charged? An electrical charge is created when electrons are transferred to or removed from an object. Because electrons have a negative charge when they are added to an object, it becomes negatively charged. When electrons are removed from an object, it becomes positively charged. What are static and moving charges? When all the atoms of an object acquire the electric charge, the object as a whole becomes electrically charged. When the charge does not move, the object is said to have acquired static charge. If the charge moves, then it is said that the object has moving charges. Moving charges get transferred from one object to the other. These are negatively charged. Moving negatively charged particles are the electrons. Can this negative charge be made to flow? Can electricity be made to flow like water flowing from higher to lower level? Current, electricity. A large current flows when lightning takes place from a cloud to the ground. While sensation is felt by us due to a microscopically small current flowing to the brain. You are aware of the current flowing through wires, electric bulbs, and equipments in the house, in the electric cells of a radio, or in a car battery. A current is produced by the flow of both negatively and positively charged particles. Electrostatic potential. Water or liquid flows from a higher level to a lower level. Heat always flows from a body at higher temperature to a body at lower temperature. Similarly, there is a tendency of the positive charge to flow from a point of higher electric level to a point of lower electric level. The electric level deciding the direction of flow of electric charges is called electrostatic potential. Thank you.